So you hunch over your phone, your head juts forward, your shoulders round up like a wilted plant. And that ache in your neck, that tension in your shoulders, that, ladies and gentlemen, is called tech neck. The modern posture plague, stealing inches from our height, tightening our muscles into knots, and quietly destroying our spine. You see, your head weighs about 5 kilos or about 11 to 12 pounds, like a bowling ball balanced on your spine. When you're upright like this, your neck handles it just fine. But tip your head forward by an inch and the load more than doubles. Tilt it 60 degrees, the way you hold your phone like this, and your neck is suddenly carrying the weight of about, you can say, 27 kilos or 60-ish pounds suitcase. Now every hour you spend hunched like that, you are grinding away at your muscles, straining your ligaments and compressing your spinal discs. Over time, we are looking at chronic neck pain or stiff shoulders or headaches, migraines, numbness or tingling in your arms, even permanent forward posture. It is also known as the shrimp look, and yes, early arthritis in your spine. So the problem is serious. Tech neck isn't just a posture problem, ladies and gentlemen. It's a full body energy thief. You see, when your head jolts forward, your chest also compresses, your breathing shortens, and your body gets less oxygen. Less oxygen means less energy, slower thinking, and constant fatigue. The strain ripples from your neck to your spine also, triggering headaches, jaw pain, and even tingling in your arms. To further worsen it, slouched posture affects your mood as well, spikes stress hormones, and chips away your confidence. People see you as tired, as distracted, even less capable. And this isn't just stealing your height from you, it's stealing your health, your energy, and your presence. But the good news is, you can easily reverse it. And you don't need a gym, you don't need any equipment, you just need 7 minutes a day, and you can easily reverse the tech neck problem with the help of a couple of home exercises. Simple. First one in the list, chin tucks. Do them for a minute. Each one of them do for a minute. Chin tucks to begin with. Pull your chin straight back like you're dodging a bad selfie. Hold it for about 5 seconds. Repeat about 10 times. Second one, look to the sky. Tilt your head up, stretching the front of your back, and then move it down. Repeat it for 10 times and you're good to go. The third one, shoulder blade squeeze. Squeeze shoulder blades together like you're cracking a walnut. Repeat about 12 to 15 times and you're good to go. Fourth one, neck slide stretch. Drop your ear to your shoulder and then towards the other shoulder. Hold it for about 20 seconds each side for a minute. Fifth one on the list, chest opener. Clasp hands behind your back. Straighten arms and lift. Hold for about 30 seconds, release, and then lift again. Sixth one, cat cow. On your force, arch your back. And then drop your belly and lift your chest. Repeat it about 8 to 10 times. And the last one, wall angels. Stand against a wall and arms in goal post position. Glide them up and down without arching your back. Repeat it 10 times and you're sorted. So you can either keep scrolling, slouching, and letting gravity steal your posture, or you can fight back. 7 minutes a day is all it takes to stand taller, feel lighter, and move without that nagging pain. Your phone might be the cause of your tech neck, but your phone can also be the reminder to fix it. Set a daily timer, do the routine, and reclaim your body before the damage becomes permanent. So this is it in this video. I'll see you in the next one. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.